video is in partnership with UNice hair. This is their packaging, very well put together. There are their socials, there is the logo, and then on the back they actually have some hair care instructions. This is what the inside of the box looks like. It's very put together, it's packed very neatly. Of course you get some lashes. This is how the bundles come packaged. I really like it's very put together. There's a rubber band on the wefting. They have the label Indian on the label and the barcode. Okay girl, it comes in this net, so does the closure. I got a 4x4 closure. The inches or the length that I got will be down below, but if I remember correctly, it's 12, 14, 16, but sometimes I be missaying the inches, y'all, so just check down below. This is what the wefting looks like. This is their Indian curly hair, but it's more of like a loose curl. So this is what the wig looks like already made. I wore it already, so I had some makeup in it, girl. Typical me. But you're gonna need some Flexi Rods. I have 3 colors. You're gonna need some, well, I used some curling jelly by Curls Unleashed. I have an orange, purple, and pink Flexi Rod. The orange one is the smallest one, so I'm gonna use that towards the front. So all I'm doing is taking this fine mist spray bottle, rubbing it or brushing it through with a Denman brush, and then putting that curling jelly in, and then just curling the Flexi Rod up. So I start at the bottom and I just curl it up and twist in the ends so the Flexi Rod is secure. So that's basically all I do throughout the whole head. I spray it with some water to dampen the hair or drench the hair. I rub that curling jelly through it, brush it with a Denman brush, start from the bottom and work my way up. That's how I'm securing the Flexi Rod. So if you roll it up, you want to roll the ends of the Flexi Rod down, and that's how it like stays secure and it doesn't move. So you roll the ends of the Flexi Rod down so it stays secure. So it's always in the opposite direction, or whatever direction you're rolling up, roll it in the opposite direction or twist it in the opposite direction so the Flexi Rod stays secure. So the orange ones are going towards the front, so the front of the head or the front of the hair, front of the wig can have a tighter curl, and I just put the larger ones towards the back so that can be a looser curl, because you know the back of the head, it can be forgiving. Okay, you can have looser curls in the back of the head, but I feel like in the front of your head it has to be like put together. But you know, this is my first time trying this. I didn't expect the hair to like shrink so much. Like there was so much shrinkage. And fun fact or disclaimer or whatever, beep beep, alert alert, I do not recommend this curling jelly. It kind of started to flake like when the Flexi Rods were drying, like it started to flake and I didn't like it. And there was no product in this hair prior, like it was just water. Like I only put water in it. So I didn't really like this curling jelly. I didn't really use that much, but I just had it, you know. I'm just trying to use up all the hair products that I have, but you know, just watch me put in these Flexi Rods. It's pretty redundant, very easy, girl. Okay, so this is what the first half of the wig looks like with the Flexi Rods in it, and this is what the whole wig looks like. I did the other half off camera, of course, because it was pretty redundant. Oh my gosh, girl, redundant. Y'all know what I mean. So it goes purple, pink, orange. I let it sit in for about, honestly, like 3 days for no reason at all. It's just because, you know, I had other things to do with my week, so I just put that to the side to get it done, and then I just let the Flexi Rod sit, like, honestly, for 3 days. So this is what the curls are looking like. I'm just going ahead and taking out those Flexi Rods. I'm taking it out in the direction in which I rolled it in so we don't cause too much frizz, but for the most part this hair looks very shiny, very healthy, very lustrous, but I just wasn't expecting it to like be this short. I was like, oh my gosh, why? So then I was thinking like, well, what am I gonna do with this hair? You guys are gonna see towards the end, but right now I'm just taking it out, trying not to cause too much frizz. Alright, and then after I take all of the Flexi Rod curls out, I do put a little bit of oil in my hand, just again so I don't cause any frizz. And I'm just going to go ahead and separate the curls. I'm not running my finger through the curls. All I'm doing is taking apart a few of the curls so it can be more voluminous, so it can be more full, so the wig can look more defined and it doesn't look so like she just took the Flexi Rods right out the wig, girl. So that's all I'm doing. Make sure to put a little bit of oil in your hand, just a little bit, because you don't want to weigh down the hair or add oil to the hair, just so you don't cause frizz. But this hair looks really good. It looks very shiny, it looks very healthy, it looks very lustrous. So now my makeup is done. Now I'm putting on the wig. At first, guys, it looks like I have a doggone Jerry curl. I look so old school, like I look like Diana Ross, Foxy Brown. I was like, what did I do, y'all? Another hair flop? But now I was like, nah, okay, we got this. So what I'm gonna do is take a wide tooth comb, and I'm just going to pick at the roots of the wig. Well, you know, the wefts. Y'all know what I mean. So I'm just going to pick at it to create more volume. And I wanted the front of the hair to like act as a curly bang. Because, listen, I was not about to wear that middle part. Okay, she was not looking cute. So I'm just picking at it to get more volume. And honestly, just to create an afro. I really like how the curls looked. But I will say it would have looked better if I had gotten longer bundles. So from now on, I'm just going to get longer bundles. Just to give me some forgiveness. I think just styling the hair will look better if it's longer. I was just like I was in a short hair kind of phase, but now I know like it's better to work with longer weaving hair, longer bundles, honey, longer frontals, longer closures. So I'm just taking that, picking at it. I'm trying not to comb through the curls because again, I don't want to make it frizzy, but it kind of got a little frizzy, but she was still real cute, but I was still looking real old school. I was like, you know what, we just gonna own it. We just gonna go ahead and look like Diana Ross, okay? So I just take my fingers and fluff it up a little bit more. Woo, girl. And then I was still like, dang, what am I gonna do? So I'm shaking it out. I'm like, nah. But good thing I have some art supplies in my room. So I took these flowers that I got a long time ago from Michael's Girl. I took some Got To Be Freeze spray. I sprayed it on the flowers and I stuck it in my hair. So I was like, you know what? I'm gonna turn this hair flop, okay, into an artsy, an artistic, a creative hairstyle. And I've been seeing people do this, but with sunflowers and blonde hair. But I was like, you know what? I have blue flowers. Why not just put it in my hair? And honestly, this was a great idea because the freeze spray actually allowed the flowers to like stick to my hair. Because I was like, wow, how am I gonna let these stick? I was about to use eyelash glue, you know. I was like, no, Aaliyah, come on. We can't be dumb twice in a row. We can't be consistently dumb around here, okay? But honestly, it ended up being really cute. I was like, okay, yes, okay, this looks kind of cute. This looks kind of artsy. It looks kind of artistic. Looks kind of creativity. So just watch me put these flowers in, you guys. And honestly, there was a fan like on my right hand side, so I'm just putting the flowers after I spray them into the fan so they can get a little tacky, and then I just stick them in my hair. But for the most part, I had no complaints with this hair. It was double wefted, so you can split the tracks if you wish. I just don't do that because I'm kind of lazy and I like to make my wigs as quick as possible, but you can split the tracks. It was very thick. This is the completed look. I just went and put in some matching earrings. These are like mint green earrings and these baby blue flowers. And honestly, it was really cute, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, enjoyed my hair flop turned into an artsy moment. Be sure to give this video a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you are not already subscribed to my channel. I would love to have you become part of my homegirl family. Before I close out this video, I do want to go ahead and give a post notification shout out to Michaela Serrano. Thank you so much, Michaela, for having my post notifications on. Thank you for being subscribed to my channel, girl. I appreciate you so much. If you would like an appreciation shout out in one of my videos, ensure you are subscribed to my channel. Tap that bell to be notified of my future uploads because YouTube be playing, y'all. Okay, and hashtag notification gang or squad after your comment. I love you guys so much. And until next time, always remember to serve, honey. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye.